Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're gonna see what is a crypto wallet hardware. A hardware wallet is a physical device that securely stores cryptocurrencies offline, providing an additional layer of protection against the online threats such as hacking, malware, and phishing attacks. It is considered a cold wallet, meaning it is not connected to the internet, which makes it less vulnerable to cyber attacks compared to hot wallets. A hardware wallet does not store any cryptocurrencies directly, but instead stores the private keys needed to access and control your assets. These private keys are crucial because they function like a password or digital signature for your cryptocurrency funds. To use a hardware wallet, when you first receive a hardware wallet, you will typically go through a setup process where you create a PIN and then receive a seed phrase. Backup that seed phrase, and when you need to send and receive crypto, you connect to the wallet to the computer or mobile device. This wallet will sign transactions offline, then transmit them to the network. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.